Hello everyone. Today we are going to study immunity, and this is a part of our biology quick revision series for NEET 2020. So let's get started. So we are talking about immunity. Now what is immunity? It is the ability of the host to fight the disease causing organism. So the ability of the host to fight the disease causing organism. This is the basic definition of immunity and the simplest way we can explain immunity. Now, immunity is of two types. Okay, so innate immunity and acquired immunity. So, two types of immunity. Innate and acquired. Now, first, let's talk about innate immunity. Okay, this is a non specific. It's a non specific immunity. It consists of four types of barriers. What are the four types of barriers? Number one, physical barriers. Physical barriers. This consists of skin and mucosa. So, this is the first line of defense. Another is physiological. Physical, then physiological. This consists of saliva and tears. And one more example, which is gastric juices. Third, cellular barriers. Cellular barriers consist of PMNL neutrophils and monocytes. These are cells that help in stopping the organism, foreign organism inside our body. Natural killer cells, macrophages. And now fourth barrier is cytokines. And cytokines are interferons. So innate immunity is non-specific. It consists of four types of barriers, which are first physical. An example of physical barriers is skin and mucosa. Second, physiological, and examples are saliva, tears, gastric juices. Third is cellular barriers, and the examples are PMNL neutrophils, monocytes, NK cells, and macrophages, and the cytokine, which are the interferons. These are the basic components of innate immunity. Okay, now let's talk about, sorry, acquired immunity. Okay, so what is acquired immunity? This is specific, okay, and this is characterized by memory. This is an important point. Characterized by memory. Innate immunity is not characterized by memory. So this immunity consists of two parts. Sorry, two types: active and passive. So active and passive immunity. Active immunity is further divided into natural, natural active immunity, and artificial active immunity. So this is the basic outline. Passive immunity is further divided into natural passive immunity. This consists of IgG and IgA, and also artificial passive immunity. An example will be preformed antibodies.